Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send bold text in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. To send your bold text, you just have to press here, stir your message, again stir. Press on send. That's it. So this is how to send bold message in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.